The 48 Laws of Power is a best-selling book that provides a practical guide for understanding the dynamics of power and manipulation. Written by Robert Greene, the book presents 48 different laws that are essential for acquiring and maintaining power in any situation. Here are some concrete tips from the book that summarize its main ideas. 1. Never outshine the master. Keep a balance of power and avoid appearing too powerful or ambitious in front of your boss or those in positions of authority. 2. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Understand and control the psychology of those around you by using their desires and needs to your advantage. 3. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Maintain power through strategic distance and timing by not always being available to those who seek your attention. 4. Pose as a friend. Work as a spy. Gather information and intelligence by pretending to be a friend to those who would otherwise be unwilling to share information with you. 5. Crush your enemy totally. Eliminate your competition completely by using any means necessary to gain the upper hand. 6. Conceal your intentions. Keep your true intentions hidden from others in order to maintain an element of surprise and avoid giving them the opportunity to counteract your plans. 7. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. Use people's desire to believe in something to create a loyal following. 8. Appear weak when you are strong and strong when you are weak. Use tactics such as feigned weakness or vulnerability to gain the trust of others or to create an opening to strike. These are just a few examples of the tactics presented in the book. However, it's important to note that the author stresses that these laws should be used selectively and with great care. Understanding and mastering these laws does not mean one should necessarily use them, but to be aware of these strategies in oneself and others.